Project Grayburn, the British Army's endeavour to replace its standard service rifle, continues to heat up. Even though it's a little outside this YouTube channel's focus area, a lot of you have expressed interest in the procurement project and which family of rifles the Brits will select. As such, we've done our best to cover the latest developments with Grayburn. And with this in mind, it was in late February 2026 that an Indian firm by the name of SSS Defence announced its entry into the competition. Let's find out more about the company and the rifle it's putting forward. Starting with the company's announcement, SSS Defence took to social media with this post saying, "We have taken a firm decision to pursue participation in the UK MOD's Project Grayburn. For some time, this opportunity occupied our mind space. No longer. Why make it official? Because we have successfully delivered to our Indian customers, and actions speak louder than words. Because we stand fully confident in the progressive design, manufacturing quality, and battlefield reliability of our weapons systems. Because commitment transforms we might into we will, from India to the world." It's understood that the weapon being put forward by this Indian firm is its M72 carbine. The company describes the rifles on its website as being, quote, "highly effective individual automatic weapons designed for special forces, army elements, and law enforcement personnel, and guarantee high quality, strength, and endurance." It adds that the M72 rivals the firepower of some of the most modern weapons in combat and tactical operations. It's chambered for the NATO standard 5.56 by 45mm caliber ammunition and has a short-stroke piston system. There are currently 4 barrel lengths on offer: 10.5-inch, 12.5-inch, 14.5-inch, and 16-inch. Additionally, based on mission criteria, the barrel can be offered with a chrome plating or nitride finish to the bore. The rifle features ambidextrous controls including a multi-mode fire selector, safe, semi, and auto, charging handle, and magazine catch, and has been equipped with a drop-in trigger, an adjustable buttstock, and Picatinny rails at 3, 6, 9, and 12 o'clock positions to accommodate mission-specific accessories. The most recent customer of this particular rifle that we could find was the police force for the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. The organization selected the M72 in early 2025, ordering 2,000 units. About half a year earlier, in August 2024, it was reported that the M72 was unable to participate in the Indian Army's Close Quarter Battle or CQB carbine trials due to quote-unquote procedure and certain compliance criteria, with no other details being available. So what do we know about the company itself? The rifle maker SSS Defence was founded in 2017 and is based in Bangalore, India. It's actually a subsidiary of a company by the name of Stumpschuler and Somappa Springs. It's this company that is said to be the largest Indian manufacturer of springs. Indeed, it was only in the mid-2010s that the spring maker decided to diversify its activities and get into the small arms business. Interesting, isn't it? If this is the case, then we'd have very high expectation for the M72's buffer spring. And in addition to offering its own ammunition, SSS Defence also has a few other small arms offerings. There's the P72 AK-style gas-operated long-stroke piston rifle chambered in 7.62 by 39mm, the T72 DMR in 7.62 by 51mm, the G72 submachine gun and pistol, both chambered in 9 by 19mm, and there are also the Sabre and Viper sniper rifles. But that's everything we could find about SSS Defence and the rifle it's most likely to put forward for Project Grayburn. At the end of the day, it's yet another AR pattern rifle, looking pretty similar to the Beretta NARP, Sukhoi ARG, and HK416. As such, the company will need to try extra hard to distinguish itself from the more established competition. Will SSS Defence be able to demonstrate that its weapons are reliable and capable of functioning in extreme conditions? Will the company be able to set up a manufacturing facility in the UK as required in the Project Grayburn tender? As long as this latter requirement is met, it seems like the M72 meets all other criteria as laid out in the Grayburn tender document, at least on paper. Some have commented that this competitor may be able to win on price given that it's coming from India. And while SSS Defence may be able to offer a competitive price due to differences in operating currencies, it would indeed still need to manufacture in the UK and hire UK residents to produce the rifles. a factor that would largely negate the fact that India has a much lower cost of labour. But what do you think of this latest competitor? Would you call it the underdog of the group? Let us know by leaving a comment. And for our rundown of the other rifles confirmed and/or believed to be competing in this competition, do check out the video here. Thanks for watching.